Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video I want to teach you how to change the language in your Discord account. So sometimes, depending on the device location, you can create a Discord account and you notice that it's in another language that you cannot understand, right? So in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the language despite not understanding what you're seeing on your screen, just like the way I'm not understanding this Russian right here. Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Chuks, and in my YouTube channel I post content related to WordPress, web design, and every other thing that makes browsing the internet very easy for my viewers. So I would advise you stick to the end of this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question in between the video, leave it for me in the comment section below. And then if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and also turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So after this brief intro, let's get started into the video. Alright, the very first thing we need to do is to go ahead and log into the Discord account. And after we are logged into the Discord account, just go over to this settings tab right here. Now you can see your username right here, right? So just go over to the settings icon, that's the gear icon right here, and click on the gear icon. And then so you're gonna have to scroll down a little bit, and when you locate these right here, I don't know, you might have to cram it, or I don't know. So if yours looks just exactly the way mine looks, it will be very much easy for you. So you can see this demarcation, this divider right here. I'm going to count 4 steps after the before the divider. Sorry about that. So I'll just count 1, 2, 3 and 4, and right here is the language right here. So I don't really understand Russian, but I just checked this and I know that this is exactly language, right? So I'm just gonna click on this, and you can see the languages right here. You can see the languages right here. So first of all, I'm gonna just change it to English UK right here. So you can actually change it to whichever language that you wish. Just scroll down right here and change it to whichever language you wish to, and just by doing that we have succeeded in translating our Discord account right here, guys, as you can see that. So if I should close this right here now, you can see that all these other stuffs are written in English. So guys, that's all I have for you in the video. As you can see, it's a very brief video, and I have a Discord playlist coming, so please make sure to check out my Discord playlist. I have a lot coming for you guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.